What causes cream cheese frosting to become runny, and how can I prevent it?
Hello, food enthusiasts. Today, we're talking about a problem many bakers face: runny cream cheese frosting. We'll delve into the reasons for this common issue and provide practical solutions to ensure your frosting is thick and creamy every time.
Why does my cream cheese frosting become runny?
When it comes to runny cream cheese frosting, there are typically three main culprits. 1. Too much liquid. Cream cheese frosting is a balance of fat from the cream cheese and butter, sugar, and liquid. If too much liquid is added, it can throw off this balance and lead to a runny frosting. 2. Softened ingredients. The temperature of your ingredients can also impact the consistency of your frosting. If your butter and cream cheese are too warm, they can cause your frosting to be too soft. 3. Overbeating the frosting. While it might seem counterintuitive, overbeating your frosting can actually make it runnier. This is because the more you beat the frosting, the warmer it becomes due to the friction generated, leading to a softer consistency.
How can I prevent my cream cheese frosting from becoming runny?
Now that we've identified the issues, let's discuss the solutions to prevent runny cream cheese frosting. 1. Control the amount of liquid. Be mindful of the amount of liquid you're adding to your frosting. Start with a small amount and gradually add more if needed. 2. Use room temperature ingredients. Allow your butter and cream cheese to reach room temperature naturally. If they are too warm, chill them in the refrigerator before using. 3. Avoid overbeating. Beat the frosting until it's just combined. Overbeating can cause the frosting to become too soft.
How to fix runny cream cheese frosting?
Sometimes, despite our best efforts, things don't go according to plan. If you find yourself with runny frosting, don't worry. Here's how you can fix your runny cream cheese frosting. 1. Add more powdered sugar. This can help absorb the extra moisture and thicken your frosting. 2. Chill it in the refrigerator. If your frosting has become too soft from overbeating or warm ingredients, chilling it can help it firm up. Remember, the key to a perfect cream cheese frosting is balance. Balance in the ingredients' quantity, temperature, and the amount of beating they're subjected to. I hope these tips and tricks help you perfect your cream cheese frosting. Keep these points in mind, and you'll never have to deal with runny frosting again. Happy baking!